Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make hummus with dried chickpeas. First, you'll need to soak your dried chickpeas overnight. Place them in a large bowl and cover them with at least 2 inches of water. Adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the soaking water helps soften them, leading to a creamier hummus later on. This crucial step ensures your chickpeas are ready for cooking. After soaking, drain and rinse your chickpeas well. Transfer them to a pot with fresh water and add about 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. This helps break down their skins even further. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 60 to 90 minutes or until they are incredibly soft. The softer they are, the smoother your hummus will be. Now for the blending. In a food processor, combine your super soft chickpeas with tahini, fresh lemon juice, and a clove or 2 of garlic. For that extra smooth, fluffy texture, gradually add about 1/4 cup of ice water while blending. Keep processing, scraping down the sides as needed, until the mixture is perfectly creamy and uniform. Finally, taste your hummus and adjust the seasoning. You might want a pinch more salt or a splash more lemon juice to brighten the flavors. Transfer your delicious hummus to a serving bowl, drizzle generously with good olive oil, and sprinkle with a dash of paprika or sumac for color. Enjoy it fresh or store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.